Hello everybody. Welcome to another Excel tutorial. My name is Alexander Wong and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use concatenate, a function, and the ampersand, which is a symbol. So let's get right into it. Concatenate and ampersand are both functions or symbols that we use when we want to compile data from different cells into the same one. So for example, here we want to make a list of the full names of people in the table below. So we want to have their first names and their surnames in the same cell. So first I'm going to put an equal sign followed by the function concatenate and press tab for Excel to autofill that for you. Then you want to click the name, the first name, put in a comma, followed by the surname. Press enter. So now Excel did exactly what we told it to do and put the first name and the surname together. However, that's not how we want to read it. We humans like to read it with a space in between. So what we're going to do is go to the formula and go after the comma, put in an open quotation mark followed by a space, and then a close quotation mark and another comma. Essentially, these open and closed quotation marks tell Excel that you want to add this as text. So be it a space, numbers, alphabets, a whole paragraph, up to you, as you will. And Excel will do just that. Now, Sidney Crosby, we have that with a space in between. Now, the ampersand works very similarly, except it's not a function in its own right. It's a symbol that Excel can take as a function. So let me demonstrate this. You can press the equal sign, and then here we have Mary, and then we put in the ampersand. This time I'm going to do the open and close quotation marks with the space in between, followed by another ampersand, and then the surname. So you can see it's not, we don't type in and as a function, but it works as a function within this formula. So ampersand is useful when you just have one or two things you want to put together. So you can very easily, if you forget the function concatenate, which is kind of hard, you can just put in the ampersand sign. But if you want to put a lot of data into one cell, if you want to compile a lot of data, concatenate is better because you don't have to write the ampersand for every single time you want to add another piece of information. So that was it. Today you learned concatenate and the ampersand sign in Excel. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I helped.